welcome back to Vlogmas. We're on day 9 and today not only am I giving you a peek inside my planner, I'm actually taking you along for the ride as I plan out next week. So I'm using my checking it twice checklist from my Plan Your Christmas class, and I will leave the link to that below and you can check that out. And they're free right now because Big Picture Classes is letting you have a 30-day trial membership, so check that out in the link below because these printables are really handy. The first question is, what is stressing you out? And I use the imagery, what's making your shoulders creep up to your ears, because for me that really signifies stress. I went through this past week and then over in my Christmas planner, my Christmas to-do list. I'm simply compiling a list from the stuff that didn't get finished this week plus the stuff on my to-do list that's stressing me out. If you look back to last week, I have twice as many things on this stressing me out list. I'm going to go on the back of this printable and answer the questions there. And these are questions: what can you simplify or eliminate? Who can help you? What can you buy instead of make? And what do you need to be spending more time on? And what do you need to be spending less time on? So once I have those figured out, that will help me decide what I can put into next week's plans. Answering these questions is not always easy, but once I do have it done, then it really helps going forward, and actually planning the next week will be easy. So I force myself really dig deep and see what I can change for my schedule so that I am not overwhelmed by all the Christmas goings on and things I need to do, and be able to actually enjoy the season. It's almost as if a switch has gone off in my head, and that really makes it easy to go forward and not feel guilty about things that I just won't be able to do this year. And then the next part is super fun. I think it's probably my favorite. We are going to plan next week. First thing that I do is to take everything that didn't get finished this past week and carry it over and put it on my to-do list for this coming week. And in my Commit 30 planner, my to-do list is broken up in two different parts. There's a life to do and there's a work to do. I will just put it in the corresponding section. And once that list is complete, then I can start taking those to-dos, breaking them down into bite-sized tasks, and then writing them into the specific days. And usually I only plan up until Wednesday. Sometimes I know something that's going to happen on Thursday and I will write that in, but usually on a Sunday, I'll just go to Wednesday, then Wednesday I'll reassess again, plan out Thursday, Friday, and the weekend. Monday and Wednesday's episodes of Plan Your Year 2019, we are going to be talking about how to actually break down things into actionable smaller tasks, and on Wednesday we're going to be talking about adjusting as you go, so to make sure that you stay on track to achieve your goals. I'm Kara and I'm here every day until Christmas to help you decorate your planner so that it makes you smile when you open it up and keeps you motivated, gets rid of the overwhelm as you tackle your Christmas to-do list. I'm also helping you plan your 2019. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I'll have an episode for you with an easy bite-sized task for you to do. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a thing. Even hit that little notification bell so you know exactly when those videos are out. Let me know in the comments below if you're a Sunday planner, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you tomorrow. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.